In this video, I created this contact manager app. The feature of this app is that you can add a contact by manually entering the details. The program will save the contact in SQL database. Another feature of this program is that you can import contact in bulk from a file. And there is also a search bar in place through which you can search for any contact. Using this search bar, you can search for a contact using any detail of that contact, and it will show you the result. Another feature of this program is that you can edit existing contacts. You can also export the saved contacts into a CSV file. Here you can see the file that I exported. By using this heart button, you can see your favorite contacts, and you can also change the theme to dark mode. And you can also change the place of menu bar and put it where you want. You can also delete a contact by selecting a contact and clicking on the delete button. So the first thing I needed for this project is a good structure, which is easy to manage, so I create a structure for it even though I ended up not using some of the files. Then after creating the structure, I added the code for creating a basic window and basic setup for the SQL database. Then I added a toolbar that you can place on any side of the window. After that, I added a button for adding a contact into the application, but when I tried to save the contact, the program closed. So I tried again and the program closed again. Then after some debugging, I tried again and it closed again. Then I tried to find the place where the problem was and added some print statements into my application. And with more and more print statements, I was getting near the place of the problem. I tried and the program closed and closed. And at last I found out that the problem was with my database code. So I changed the buggy part of the code and this time it worked. But only adding contact was not enough for me, as I was more ambitious than that. So I added delete button and edit button, in which the delete button worked correctly, but as I clicked on the edit button, the program closed again. I didn't know where the problem was, so I did some debugging as programmers do, and it didn't work. So I gave it some more tries and tweaked with the code again and again until it worked. Now that I had added 3 buttons into the toolbar, with that experience I added more buttons at once. From them the export button worked correctly. For import button, I created an example file of contacts to import to check it worked correctly. So when I tried importing the file, the program tried to deceive me. So I gave it another try and it also failed, but at last I was able to import these contacts. And last but not the least, I added the style code for the theme and also made it so when some changes happen to setting, it is saved. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and keep learning.